Bonaventure Mutinda, the breakfast show Athiani FM. The breakfast show basically is about setting the agenda for the day. We tackle whatever is happening right from the villages up to what is happening around the globe, matters politics, matters leadership, development, and we tackle the issues that are dear to the hearts of our listeners. Our aim is basically to make sure that our listeners, as they move out for the day, they are fully charged, they are optimistic about whatever will unfold during the day. We do engage them through discussions, and of course, as they say, that work without play makes Jack a dull boy. We do integrate the serious issues with comedy or comical issues to make sure that we make our listener to feel optimistic as he starts the day or they start the day. I joined Athiani FM back on July 2018. Though initially I attended the first interviews as Athiani FM was starting, but I wasn't lucky at that time. But 3 years later, I got a call from Athiani FM. They told me that they would like me to work with them. And I can say that I didn't hesitate to agree to come over to Athiani. The reason being that Athiani FM is one of the biggest brands when we are talking about vernacular radio station, especially the lower eastern part of Kenya and even beyond, because we reach even the upper eastern, that is Meru, Embu, Tharaka Nithi, and some parts of northeastern. So Athiani FM is one of the biggest brands. That is why it was easy for me to make that decision to cross over from where I was to come to Athiani FM. Now I think it is about 3 years down the line since I joined Athiani, and I have no regrets for making that decision to join Athiani FM. It has been a smooth journey. My colleagues, the management, we have been helpful to each other, working together to ensure that Athiani FM grows in leaps and bounds, and I think that is where we are today, even as we celebrate the 10 years since Athiani FM went on air. So it has been a smooth journey. The challenges, the breakfast show is about what is happening. What is happening in the courts, what is happening in the political circles, what is happening in the world of business. So as you come to studio, you have to be aware of what is happening, because that is what your listener wants to hear from you. So basically the biggest challenge is to prepare that program, to make sure that you have ideas of whatever is happening in all those sectors. So it is really a big challenge, because you have to read wide, you have to listen wide, you have to watch wide, and all that. But it is a challenge worth taking, because that is why I'm here. I am here to do that job. So I can basically say that I enjoy doing it, despite the challenge, of course, waking up early and all that, but it is part of the job, so we can't complain about that. Now, as we move forward, we are 1 decade now. Is it a decade? Yes. As we move to the next one, to our dear listeners, This is what I have for you. You are dear to us. You are the reason we wake up early. You are the reason we do research, because of the support you have given us. As we move forward, my only promise to you is to keep entertaining you, keep informing you, and making your mornings brighter. Thank you.